In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send order confirmation with Wix. By the end, you'll have a professional branded email that goes out automatically the moment a customer completes checkout, giving them confidence and reducing follow-up support. Start by logging into your Wix account. From your sites list, select the website you want to manage so you're working in the correct place. That will take you to the dashboard, which is the control center for your store, communications, and settings. If you land somewhere else, look for the dashboard option to make sure you're on the right screen. Next, we'll head to the communications area. In the dashboard, click Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Customer Notifications. This section controls the automatic messages Wix sends on your behalf for key moments in the customer journey. Look for Order Confirmation in the list. This is the email your customers receive immediately after they place an order, and it's one of the most important messages your brand sends because it sets the tone for the entire post-purchase experience. Open the order confirmation and click Edit to customize the template. Start by adding your logo so customers instantly recognize your brand. Then adjust your brand colors to match your site's palette for a consistent look and feel. Move on to the message text. Keep it friendly, clear, and concise. Confirm that the subject line and header make it obvious that the order was received. In the body, make sure the core information reads naturally around the dynamic order details Wix includes, such as items, totals, and shipping information. Add a short thank you note that reflects your brand voice. Something warm but professional goes a long way. This is also a great place to set expectations, like typical processing or shipping timeframes, so customers know what happens next. Finally, include support contact information. Whether you prefer email, a contact form, or a help center link, make it easy for customers to reach you. Clear support details reduce anxiety and cut down on back and forth messages. When everything looks polished, click Save. That's it. From now on, customers will automatically receive your branded order confirmation email right after checkout. Keeping this email on brand and informative helps build trust, increases satisfaction, and can even encourage repeat purchases. If you ever update your logo, colors, or policies, return to this same place to refresh the template so it always matches your current brand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automated professional order confirmations in Wix.